So, good morning everyone. Now we see that here a case study problem. So, case study problem is that today we are going to the case study problem. It will be uh, the there is a competitor of two companies. Which one will comes the best, and then which one company will go down. See, in this testing a hypothesis, because in this hypothesis will be a maybe it's going to be a wrong, okay, but not only sure, but it will be a going to be a very positive result. That's only we are going to the test of hypothesis. Okay, so in this test of hypothesis, the null hypothesis, this the assumption will be tested, and then the average weight of the semesters two students is 58 kgs. Begin with assumption that the null hypothesis is automatically will be a true. The null hypothesis true, then the opposite will be a alternative hypothesis. Opposite be a alternative hypothesis. The average weight of the student is not equal to 58 kg. That is the alternative hypothesis. In this procedure of hypothesis is testing by a step 1, that is set up a hypothesis and set up a suitable significance level. It's a very important. Then next, in this confidence with which an experimenter rejects or accept null hypothesis depends on the significance level adopted. Adopted level of significance is the rejection region. That is the very important. And then see here, the selecting a significance level, it is a practice to take 5% or the minimum of 1%, the minimum of 1% of significance. So in this significance will be a sample of statistics in this fall in the known shaded region. Then it simple means that there is no evidence to reject the null hypothesis. So it proves the null hypothesis H0 is true, otherwise it will be a rejected. And then step 3, determination of suitable test statistic. For example, Z, T, chi square of or F statistic. And then step 4, determine the critical value from the table. And then the step 5, after doing computation, check the sample of result, compare the calculated value with the value obtained from the table. And then the next, the step 6, making decisions. Making decisions means either accepting or rejecting the null hypothesis. Accepting or rejecting of null hypothesis. See, otherwise it will be a accept. Then type 1 and type 2 errors. There is a two types of errors, and then type 1 and type 2 errors. See, the hypothesis is true, but our test accepts it. The hypothesis is false, but our test rejects it. The hypothesis is true, but our test rejects it. Then The hypothesis is false, but our test accepts. So these are the type 1 and type 2, and then this is the one-tailed or two-tailed tests. So these are all the two tails and one tail test. It will be a more helpful for the test of hypothesis. Thank you.